Filigree, it's really about putting the people at the central focus of all their projects and really understanding how they live their lives. What do they need at home? How do they move within the home? And of course, we'll be able to learn a little bit more and meet the great minds who collaborated on this project and helped make it a reality. To introduce the first Vice President and Filigree Business Unit Head, Ms. Daphne Sanchez.
Hey everybody, good afternoon. I'm so happy to see all of you here and welcome to the Filigree Show Suites. Be sharing all the things that make Two Botanika very special. And by the end of this day, I'm sure all of you would agree that with Two Botanika, space truly is the new luxury.
What resonated with me the most was really the team's and the project's commitment to creating a true indoor-outdoor living experience. So you imagine coming off your home, you open up into your corridor, you're immediately bathed with this sunlight coming from the atrium, and then you come down through the scenic elevator connected to nature. You see the outdoors, and when you land on the breezeways, we call it, and green lobbies, it's really an expansive green space that's interconnected all throughout underneath the towers. So that to me was a very, very interesting idea, and it's good to see that coming into fruition.
The whole message was about outdoor, no separation between them. Enters, and there's no separation with nature. So that's what Botanika is all about, hence the name.
One of the things when we first looked at the project, given the topographies, and we did not want to create an urban plan with urban blocks lining the street. We wanted something more organic, towers in the park.
The idea on the master plan was to weave together basically the landscape, the spaces, right through the building, so that you got this feeling of shared amenity all the way through, in the same way as a village you would imagine.
In other words, you don't just look at sites, you look at how the space is turned into places within a space. And so in order to do that, we defined each space seriously. We didn't just partition it, but we laid it out according to how people really move about, how they...
Our vision for Botanika is to grow this community that loves the outdoors, that resonates with the laid-back southern lifestyle, so to speak.
But the space is really what we need. We don't want anything that would cramp us in our everyday activities. So with this one, coming with Two Botanika, I think it will be exciting times ahead. Be more on the productivity and health and well-being of the project users or our future unit owners or residents of Two Botanika.